Ah, what a great day it is. Right, guys? I knew it. Boring, boring day. Oh, when am I gonna get some tan? Dude, we're inside. No wonder I'm such a whitehead. Too white. Okay. I don't see how we had a problem ever with that. Well, I don't need a problem with that, because I'm already black, because I'm a bomb. Wait, since when did we ever start the conversation about tanning? I don't really know. I might. This is such a relaxing day, mate. Yeah. What the heck? Ah! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Oh no! Yeah! Surrender, birds, or else you will taste my fury. What? Who in what army? I don't need an army to fight you right now, because I have learned Kung Fu. Dude, Kung Fu isn't right for you. I mean, you're just all boring and stuff. I'm like awesome. So, how about you just get out of here and what up? Hey, no one does that to our friends. Yeah, you don't do that to our friends. And then, yeah, whoa. Oh, I might. I'm gonna defeat you, and I'm gonna. Ow! This is way too easy. Okay. It's just you and me. To me, you're like a ninja. Yep, and I'm like a samurai. Oh, watch out! Oh, it hurt. Oh, ha ha ha! Whee! No one does it to my friend. You guys will never defeat me. Now, will you excuse me? I'm gonna go. Oh, we're never gonna. What the? Okay. No, dude, wait for me. What's with the creepy guy? Hey. Okay. Oh, hey guys, what just happened? Guys? Huh? Whee! Like, is this the place? Is this the place? What just happened? Are you... What the... Hello? What the... Sock monkey? You're the one who owns this place? Sure, it's a good way to play money. Oh yeah, and anyways. Yeah, so, follow me. Okay, so this is your place? Yep. Alright. Wow, this is a nice place you got there. Yes, so you want to learn how to do Kung Fu? Yep. Me and my friends. Okay, I could do that for $1 billion. What? We don't have that money. I'm just kidding with you. Is that guy normal? Yeah, he's been taking steroids. Okay. Anyways, come with me to my magical place of awesomeness. Okay. Wait, can I just teleport there? Oh, this is a nice place. Wow. Hey, where's Sock Monkey? Oh, he's coming. So, if you want to learn Kung Fu, you gotta learn the ways. And what do you mean by that? Like, you have to fight my ninja. What? You gotta go now. It's ridiculous. Uh-oh. Whoa. You are ready. Wait, already? Yes. Now you should defeat King Pig, and I will be going. I'm ready. I'm so good at Kung Fu, I will rule the world. Not until I defeat you. What? I have learned Kung Fu. Alright then, let's have a battle. Ready to fight? Yeah, come on. Oh! Stop it! Time to die, Redbird. What the? Let's finish this. Yes! Oh crap, my thing fell apart, what the hell? Oh dude, that was awesome! I never knew you had it in you. Yeah, but your ninja powers have been taken. Why? You have been banned because you used a very illegal ninja source. Sock Monkey. I'm gonna go die now. I guess this was a nice day. Nice day? I'm gonna beating the crap out of God. People just hate me sometimes. People only hate you because you're a pig. Shut up. Huh? Oh, ow. Huh? Thanks. Oh, awesome.